You've probably seen tons of videos about animal hybrids, where two animals come together and transform into a crazy new creature that doesn't even exist in real life. Sounds fun, right? But today, we're creating one ourselves. And trust me, this is going to be epic. Let's jump in. The first thing you need is a cool idea. Think of two animals that you want to combine. For example, a spider and an eagle. Sounds terrifying, right? Or maybe a snake and a lion, something powerful. The key is to go wild with your imagination. Once you have your idea, open ChatGPT and ask it to create two image prompts for you. The first prompt will generate images of the two animals separately. The second prompt will combine both animals into one hybrid creature. Make sure you try to keep the backgrounds of both images the same. This will help later when we create a smooth transition. Now it's time to generate the images. You can use tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, or DALL-E. My favorite for this is Flux, because it gives great results. So, let's input our prompts and see what we get. Boom! There you have it. Our hybrid is ready. It looks crazy, right? But we're not done yet. Here's where the magic happens. We'll take the two images, the original animals and the hybrid, and create an animation that shows their transition. For this, we'll use Flux again, because it also has a great photo-to-video feature. Simply upload both images, adjust the settings, and Flux will handle the rest. And guess what? Here are two prompts I'll share in the video description that you can use to make the transition even smoother. Boom! Both videos are good, but I select first and move to next step, which is animate your second photo for video. So again, I got a Flux, and this time I only use start frame and write this prompt according to your creation. Once your animation is ready, we need to make it look cinematic. First, upscale your video using Topaz Video AI. This step ensures you get the highest possible quality. Then, take it into After Effects for post-editing. Add some glow effects, adjust the color grading, and make it pop. The final result should look sharp and professional. And that's it. Once your hybrid animation is ready, post it on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you like. Trust me, people love these kinds of creative videos. But don't forget, your story and transitions should flow smoothly, because that's what makes the difference. Look at this masterpiece. This is the magic of combining creativity and AI tools. So, what hybrid are you going to create next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered creativity. Until next time, this is Harry, over and out.